Alrighty, YouTube, we're getting ready to drill something, so we got our first sacrificial drill for the evening. I think it's a 17. Did I say 17? What is this puppy? Oh, I can't see it. 17/64, I believe. I don't have my glasses on, so my numbers may be off just a smidge. So we're getting ready to drill a hole and see what these new drills do. I don't expect a whole lot, and, you know, obviously, hopefully, they're not going to wear out right away. Over time, they may not last, so we'll see. Safety glasses. Always remember PPE, personal protective equipment. Okay, let's get this show on the road here. Throw that right there. And I'm not going to force it, I'm just going to kind of let it do its thing. Hold on a second. I might even be this guy. Well, I'm not liking that. Not bad. Not great. Not bad. I can see where you would definitely have to lube the snot out of it. I don't think these are going to last long, but you know, it's a $9 drill bit set. What do you want? It didn't do too bad. I can definitely tell a difference between these and my Precision that I used for years. But hey, you know, $9 is, you know, $10 is $10. So anyway, that's it did the job. I'm going to drill the hole. That's all we need, you know, and I think if you take care of it, they'll last a little while. We'll see. All right, thanks a lot, YouTube.